Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to set up Streamlabs OBS on Android. Well, to do that, open your Streamlabs application. Then, after that, log into your account and stream your camera, games, or both. However, the share screen option may not be appear automatically. So, to show that, tap the three lines at the upper left corner. Then in here, tap the Scenes button. And then edit this scene. Now, to add share screen button or layer, tap the layers at the upper right corner. Then in here, tap add layer. Then tap add a share screen. Then go back and tap save. Streamlabs on Android offers many of the same features as the desktop version, making it a great option for streaming on the go. However, it is important to adjust your video and audio setting based on your internet connection and the devices of your viewers. Streamlabs is a powerful tool for mobile streaming, with many options for customization and personalization. And that's how to set up Streamlabs on Android. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.